and welcome to Job Aspirants channel, your trusted companion in the journey of job hunting. Here, we bring you the latest government job notifications, central and state level recruitments, complete details like vacancies, qualifications, salaries, and how to apply. All in one place, clear and reliable. Whether you're a fresh graduate or an experienced professional, we've got the updates you need to kickstart or grow your career, so don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and stay ahead with the latest job alerts. Notification details. Organization: Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC. Type: contractual, up to 3 years. Location: primarily Hyderabad, some posts in Delhi. Job-wise vacancy details. Project Associate, experienced, 3 posts. Domain: software programming, web application development. Project Associate, fresher, 12 posts. Domain: network administration, system administration, data center and cloud administration. Project Associate, fresher, 1 post. Domain: education and training, course coordinator. Project Engineer, experienced, 2 posts. Domain: VLSI. Project Engineer, experienced, 9 posts. Domain: network administration, system administration, data center and cloud administration. Project Engineer, experienced, 2 posts. Domain: cyber security, audit and operations. Project Engineer, experienced, 1 post. Domain: software programming, web application development. Project Engineer, experienced, 1 post. Domain: database administration. Project Engineer, experienced, 13 posts. Domain: embedded systems and IoT, embedded systems design and development, security testing, device security solutions development. Project Engineer, experienced, 4 posts. Domain: full stack developer, DevOps, software testing. Project Engineer, fresher or experienced, 2 posts. Domain: web designing, graphic designing, multimedia, UI or UX, e-game developer, Unity framework. Project Engineer, fresher or experienced, 7 posts. Domain: cyber security. Project Engineer, fresher or experienced, 3 posts. Domain: quantum computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning. Project Engineer, fresher or experienced, 2 posts. Domain: content writing. Project Leader, 4 posts. Domain: data center and cloud administration. Project Manager or Program Manager or Program Delivery Manager or Knowledge Partner, 2 posts. Domain: cyber security. Project Manager or Program Manager or Program Delivery Manager or Knowledge Partner, 1 post. Domain: information security, education and awareness, location, Delhi. Project Officer, 3 posts. Domain: content writing, outreach, information security, education and awareness, location, Delhi, Hyderabad. Project Technician, 1 post. Domain: embedded systems, autonomous systems. Senior Project Engineer or Module Lead or Project Leader, 3 posts. Domain: cyber security and forensics. Senior Project Engineer or Module Lead or Project Leader, 2 posts. Domain: VLSI. Senior Project Engineer or Module Lead or Project Leader, 1 post. Domain: technical coordinator. Senior Project Engineer or Module Lead or Project Leader, 2 posts. Domain: full stack developer, data analyst. Senior Project Engineer or Module Lead or Project Leader, 1 post. Domain: web portals or ERP or PMS operations and maintenance. Senior Project Engineer or Module Lead or Project Leader, 1 post. Domain: Coordinator for training activities. Senior project engineer or module lead or project leader 6 posts. Domain: cyber security. Senior project engineer or module lead or project leader 4 posts. Domain: embedded systems, embedded hardware, firmware development. Breaking news. Wait for 1 minute before going into further details. The Government Medical College Eluru has officially released a recruitment notification for lab attendant, store attendant and other. For all details regarding the recruitment process, eligibility, and application procedure, watch the detailed video by clicking I button above. Eligibility criteria: educational qualification, degree in related fields from AICTE or UGC approved institutes. Final semester students may also apply, subject to passing before joining. Experience: post-qualification experience as required per post. Academic internships or research not counted unless specified. Domain areas include AI or ML, quantum computing, cyber security, cloud computing, data science, embedded systems, VLSI, full stack dev, UI or UX, health informatics. Web and software development, education and training, content writing, etc. Age limit as per post. Relaxations applicable as per government norms, SC or CENT or OBC or ex-servicemen, etc. Salary details. Project associate, fresher 3.6 LPA to 5.4 LPA. Project engineer, fresher or experienced 4.49 LPA to 14 LPA. Project manager or program manager, 12 LPA to 22.9 LPA. Project officer, 5.11 LPA. Senior project engineer, 8.49 LPA to 14 LPA. Detailed salary available for each job in the link in description. Pay: consolidated emoluments based on role and experience. Higher salaries for deputation to overseas locations with benefits including free furnished accommodation, visa and travel arranged by CDAC. Selection process: initial screening based on academic or experience profile, written test or skill test or interview as per post. Final selection will depend on performance in all applicable stages. Important instructions. Application fee: no fee. Mode of application: online only. Official website link in description. Notes: no hard copy to be sent. Government employees should apply online and submit through proper channel or bring NOC. All communication via email only. Thank you for watching. For more updates on government job opportunities, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Best of luck with your application.